We just built and configured this $500 PC with no GPU. So we're gonna use the 5600G APU for gaming and we're gonna see how it performs. Let's test out Fortnite, Valorant, Apex Legends, CSGO, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Halo, and maybe Grand Theft Auto 5. Let's see how it performs. Let's go. So we're gaming in 1080p and we have DirectX 11. We're not doing performance and we're doing low quality. Here's the settings right now. So we're ranging anywhere from about 65 to 75 frames per second using the DirectX 11 rendering mode with low quality. Soon we're going to be switching to performance mode to get even more double frames per second. All right, we switched it to performance mode, so we're gonna check out the graphics. We're gonna see how it performs. Performance mode more than doubled my frames per second at the expense of graphics, obviously. Here's where I'm an idiot, and I learned that I'm playing duo mode, where I'm up against teams of 2, because last night I was playing with my daughter, and I didn't switch it, so now I'm gonna try and take on teams of 2. No build mode, so wish me luck. Alright, let me just finish off this partner. Wait, where'd that guy come from? Reload everything, because you're about to be in an unexpected battle. All right, we're testing out Valorant right now, and here's the settings right now. Is we're doing 1080p, and then we're gonna do all low quality, and then we're gonna show FPS. Valorant plays really well on this PC. I think I was seeing, anywhere from about 150, 160 to all the way to about a 200 frames per second, so maybe an average of 180 frames per second. So this is actually played really well, really smooth.
Who trained you?
Spike planted.
On the money.
Next, we're testing out Apex Legends. All disabled and low, so let's see how it performs. And I guess I didn't record any of my firefights. I guess I was maybe too involved and forgot to record those parts. So anyways, just me running around. Anyways, the frames per second in this game actually works really well. Average probably about 65, 70 frames per second. And it felt really smooth. Graphics were decent on low. So I can't wait to play this game with the GPU. So it did fairly well. We're testing out CSGO. Here's the settings right now. For our video settings, we are set to low 1080p, and then we have everything set to low right here. and we're gonna see how well it does. Let's go! CSGO always plays really well. It's been around for a long time. I've played this game for a long time, and it doesn't require a beefy PC, which I love. The frames I was seeing depends on the map you're on. I was seeing anywhere from like maybe 80 to probably about 130, so maybe about 100, 110 average. You know, it plays really well, nice and smooth. Oh yeah! Time for Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Time for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and we're doing minimum graphics, so all these settings should be set to their minimum. All right, let's go. Call of Duty played all right. You know, I think it was averaging maybe about 55 to 60 frames per second using the minimum graphics. So you definitely take a hit on the graphics, you know, and only get about a 55 to 60 frames. So it does all right. You know, I just can't wait to play this maybe with the GPU. It's gonna look and feel probably a lot better.
Loading.
Yikes.
I'm loading.
All right, we're gonna test out Halo now on this APU, the 5600G, and here's our graphics right now, 1080p, and then we're doing low. We're getting roughly, just sitting here, about 21. When I had the minimum frame rate off, I was pretty much getting like 20 frames per second. It was really choppy, almost unplayable. Halo's more a graphically intensive game, so I took the minimum frame rate, capped it at 30, and then I also turned on VSync, and then it made it somewhat tolerable, but still, I don't think I would recommend Halo on an APU. You know, you definitely need something that can handle the graphics like a dedicated GPU. All right, let's test out Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5, and see how well it performs. All right, we're running benchmark tests right now, and looks like I've been getting around 75 or something like that frames per second. Dropped all the quality all the way down to, I guess, normal is their lowest. 1080p, refresh rate of the monitor is about 120 hertz. So I expect we'll probably be getting about 60 to 70 frames per second here. Not too bad for 5600G. Not too shabby. Can't wait to see what the actual GPU is going to do when we add it. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Just hit a motorcycle, and he's gonna hit a cop. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just hear people screaming. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The horror. All right, after that test, I think I saw anywhere from 60 to 70, 80. It even hit like 90 when it was flying that jet. So maybe average around 70, not too bad. Next up, we're going to take a look at what parts we can add or upgrade to get better performance. We're going to take a look at what those performance upgrades or additions actually get you. Stay tuned.